This video is on how to make easy homemade lasagna. I recorded it in the summer and I never got around to making it, so the review will not be as good as if I just made it. What I do remember is this recipe was really good and I thought it was a 9 out of 10, or as good as the teriyaki salmon. The lasagna was as good as any lasagna I've had from a restaurant or at home, so I think people should try it. On another note, I will post the link to the website where I got the recipe. If you look in the original ingredients, you'll see that I changed some things. I didn't use sausage. I used half the amount of onion, added more sauce, and added an extra clove of garlic. And I used basil instead of parsley, which is a personal choice. The ingredients are different, but the instructions are the same. I hope you all try my version of the recipe instead of theirs. And if you do, please let me know what you think. Today we are making easy homemade lasagna. So the ingredients are lasagna noodles, parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, lean ground beef, pasta sauce, tomato paste, onion, garlic, Italian seasoning. I'm gonna use oregano, same thing. Ricotta cheese, which is slightly different than cottage cheese, an egg, and fresh parsley. I hate parsley, so I'm using basil.